Welcome to the nearly 1 mile Newark segment of New Jersey's newest state park, a former rail corridor being transformed into a 9-mile greenway that will connect 8 communities in Essex and Hudson counties. This rail corridor once supported the movement of freight and passengers, but how do we transform it into a park that is safe for visitors and also preserves elements of its transportation history? Soil beneath rail lines is often contaminated from decades of industrial use. Contaminants could include metals, petroleum residues, arsenic and creosote from railroad ties, as well as coal ash and other chemicals used during train operations. Here in Newark, when this corridor was constructed in the 1800s, material known as historic fill, or materials with unknown origins such as excavated soil, gravel, construction debris, and other industrial materials were brought in and used to construct the rail bed. With more than a century of active freight and passenger trains traveling along the line, we can't build a park on top of existing ground without taking some precautionary measures. Today marks a major step in that process. Crews are installing a highly visible orange geotextile layer that will serve as a physical protective barrier, preventing contact with the historic fill below. Certified clean soil is being placed on top of this barrier to hold it in place and will create an additional layer of protection. In the coming months, nutrient-rich planting soil will be added as the final layer to support native plantings throughout the park. Together, these elements will ensure generations of park visitors will be able to enjoy the park without fear of being exposed to contaminants. The corridor's rail history will be reflected in the park's design, including steel elements and interpretive features that will tell the story of when trains transported passengers and freight to and from Greenwood Lake and ports along the Hudson River. There is so much more to come. Stay tuned for updates as construction continues.